Well, hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Fantastic. So, darling, today we are going to work on bringing back your curls. Would you please describe for me, in your opinion, what you think happened to your curls?
I think it was heat damage because I straightened them every weekend for like a month.
Straightened with a flat iron? Here's the thing. Heat damage can do a number on curls. We know this to be true. Too much of anything that causes that S-shaped pattern in the hair to stretch can definitely broaden the curl pattern. Just from straightening your hair every weekend for a month, chances are slim that this is a permanent situation. I think it's just that all kind of timed with like the heat in the buildings coming on, and like we're just in a really dehydrated desert right now.
Yeah.
And we just need to really remind the hair of what it's supposed to be doing. And then once we remind it, it's gonna be like, oh yeah, okay, I like this. And it'll start working for you a little bit better again. When it comes to the shape and the cut, right now we're in very triangle land. And I just feel like we can make it better by releasing some of this weight a little bit more intentionally. And you already have fringe.
Yeah.
But the way that this fringe is cut is it's a little bit cut for straight hair. So I'm gonna change the placement of the fringe, the amount of hair that's in the fringe, and the way that the fringe transitions into the rest of the hair. So here's where I break the fourth wall and go, so my position and the thing that I try to preach and the thing that I try to encourage is that you take the canvas that's sitting in front of you, you figure out the type of fabric you're dealing with, and you treat that fabric accordingly. And the same goes to the shape, the way that the shape is created, the techniques utilized to create that shape, to remove the weight, to encourage the curl to bounce, whatever terminology or verbiage you want to use. I've had people say to me that they absolutely refuse to cut curly hair dry because they can't see the true curl pattern. I've had, in the same week, people say to me, I absolutely refuse to cut curly hair wet because it jumps too much and it doesn't give me a true read. Study the fabric of hair. If you can learn the fabric of hair, you'll be able to address every single one of those situations and realize that there are some textures of curl and some goals for that texture that some of the weight does need to be released in a dry state. There are other situations where in order to really see how the curl bounces and jumps, the only way to do that is wet. So my encouragement or my challenge or my call to action would be, don't put yourself in any box. Learn everything and then take all of that knowledge and apply it to each individual situation and problem solve that situation using the knowledge that you have, and don't just blindly approach every single problem the same way. And there you have it. Curls revived, shape connected. You maintained length.
I feel like me again.
Yay!
Curls are back.
They are back. Yeah!